Hello, Internet. It's 2 a.m. and I'm drinking a Coke. You know, they say about Coke it's just sugar water. And it's true. Coca-Cola contains 42 grams of carbohydrate glucides, sugars. 42 grams. Yeah, I smoke a lot. So, the thing about sugar is that there's so much sugar in the modern North American diet that it's basically everywhere. All foods have sugar. And the reason why sugar tastes so good is because when we were cavemen, we needed sugar to digest food, you see. And sugar was very rare, so because it was so rare and we needed sugar to digest food, I'm wheezing like a Spanish stallion. Anyways, the reason why sugar tastes so good is because it was so rare and we needed to digest food with it. Nowadays, sugar's like we control insects, we control ducks, we control geese. We dominate the planet with our Western imperialist capitalism. So sugar is everywhere. And you don't really need to seek out sugar because anything you eat will have some... Everything gets broken down into sugar. So you don't need this. But I've been cutting back on my beer, and a recent study came out. Now this is science that said that heavy alcohol use may increase brain power. Now I looked at the article, and what it said exactly was that your brain, it runs on sugar, mostly. But there is also this other chemical that gets produced when alcohol breaks down in your body, and it is called acetate. Now, acetate is found in vinegar, and acetate can be an alternate source of brain fuel. So if you become an alcoholic, your brain becomes dependent on acetate, and your brain depends on acetate to function, to think. Now, because I am drinking less, my brain has less acetate, and therefore my brain hurts, I'm in withdrawal, and I can't think straight. But I notice now, as I'm drinking this can of sugar, that I can think more clearly. My mom recommended I drink Coke last night because she knew I was in withdrawal from drinking less beer. And perhaps it's an old remedy, an old hangover cure, to drink sugar, to drink Coca-Cola. But it seems to work, and that might be because the brain, its primary source of brain power is sugar. And it's better to run your brain on sugar than acetate. Of course, it would be a bad idea to get addicted to sugar, but I digress.